Hey there, this is Dr. Sue from Functional Medicine Plus with a quick word on juicing and blending. And what's the difference? Well, Nancy has a big high-powered juicer that she uses, and I have a cheap old blender that I use, and I think we both get a lot of benefit. The big benefit is that you are very quickly able to extract a lot of nutrients out of your foods, and you get a lot more fruit and vegetables into your diet by juicing or blending. Now, when I talk about that, making either one of those, I'm referring to using about 3/4 of vegetables and about 1/4 of fruit when you put your ingredients in, so that the fruit sweetens up the vegetables a bit, but you get a lot more nutrition from and less sugar from the vegetables. Why do we want to do that? It's very difficult to get the nutrients that we need through our regular diet. This allows us to get a lot more nutrients. These nutrients power up our little cells and make us feel better. Also, it's a great way to reboot your system because you get out of the habit of eating those harmful, toxic, poisonous carbs, and you get more used to liking the taste of vegetables with a little fruit in. It's a well-known fact that carbohydrates are very addictive, and this is a good way to break yourself of them by spending about 3 days a week, like a Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, making juicing or blending a big part of your daily diet. Also, this gives your system a chance to reboot. You get a chance to detox somewhat because we have many, many toxins stored in our fat cells from our daily diet, such as food colorings, preservatives, pesticides, herbicides, and even plastics. So when you juice or blend and you give yourself a little chance to reboot your system, your liver gets a rest, your digestive system gets a rest, and now your liver can turn to other matters rather than digesting what you just ate, and it can start to detoxify the things that your body has stored. Now, what's the difference between juicing and blending? It's all about fiber. There are two kinds of fiber. One is called soluble. Soluble is that is dissolvable, but it does thicken what's in your intestines and help you feel full longer. And you get that either from or both from juicing and blending. When you juice, however, there's another form of fiber that is taken out, and that is called the insoluble. Insoluble meaning you cannot digest it. Now, your intestines really like insoluble fiber as well. It helps things move along. It helps bulk up your stool, and it's also very healthy for your intestinal bacteria. So some people like to do a blend of sometimes juicing their vegetables and fruits or using a blender to do that. Either way, both methods are very, very healthy. So I hope you consider adding juicing or blending to your daily or weekly diet and kind of focusing on doing a lot of that, maybe just for a few days a week at a time. I hope this information was helpful. We'll see you again later. Bye-bye.